Well, if you've got a 1996 or roughly around that era Toyota Camry Holden Apollo and the remote is playing up, in this case this one has been sellotaped a little bit worse for wear, you'll notice when you go to start the car that the security red light normally would be flickering. What you need to do is turn the key on for 40 minutes and then start the car, and that will actually totally disable this. It means there won't be any more security, so if someone gets the key they'll just start the car, but it'll save you $2 or $3 or $4 or $5 or $6 or $7 or $800 trying to get another boop, 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 remote to get the car to start. Bit of information there from the bald fella with the glasses on his head. Take it easy. Christmas is not too far away. See you later.